In a groundbreaking move, the FDA has decided to lift the infamous black box warning on hormone replacement therapy, HRT, for menopause, sparking a medical debate. But is this a victory for women's health or a controversial decision? Let's unravel this complex issue. The FDA's announcement on Monday revealed a significant shift in their stance on HRT. Two studies from the early 2000s had raised concerns about HRT's link to breast cancer and other risks, leading to the black box warning and a subsequent drop in its use. However, the FDA now acknowledges that this decision may have been misguided, potentially affecting millions of women who could have benefited from HRT. FDA Commissioner Dr. Marty Makary strongly believes that the demonization of HRT is a grave error in modern medicine. He highlights that the timing of HRT initiation is a crucial factor overlooked in the earlier studies. Recent understanding suggests that starting HRT before age 60 or within a decade of menopause onset can offer more benefits than risks. This decision is a response to decades of advocacy from women who felt they were not adequately informed about HRT. The new label will be visible on products in the coming months, but it's not without risks. Women considering HRT are advised to consult their doctors, as it's a prescription-only treatment. The American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, ACOG, also welcomed the change, stating it will improve access to hormone therapy and facilitate shared decision-making between patients and doctors. Dr. Rachel Rubin, a leading advocate for this change, expressed her joy, calling it a revolutionary moment. She described a united effort by women and doctors to push for this alteration, emphasizing the need to educate clinicians on the new approach. But here's where it gets controversial. Was the initial warning truly a mistake, or is this new decision a hasty one? The debate is open for discussion. As the medical community digests this news, it's essential to consider the potential implications. While HRT can be beneficial, it's not without risks. The key lies in personalized medicine, where doctors and patients work together to make informed decisions. But are we ready for this shift? Share your thoughts on this complex medical dilemma.